Hey guys, welcome to Bitworld. So, taking to today uh, a dynamic programming problem, that is finding max subarray sum in given array of positive and negative integers. Let's say my array, or rather, since this is a Python code, it will be list. It consists of all the negative and the positive integers. Okay, so now my aim is to find the maximum subarray sum. Okay, so that means grouping these integers, what would be the maximum sum, and that would be returned as a max sum. Okay, so for this the algo which I have designed is take two numbers, find their sum and store it in current sum. Okay, so let's say 2 plus 1, that becomes out to be minus 1, and that will be the value in current sum. Okay, the maximum sum which I have initialized as 0. If it is less than current sum, then maximum sum would be current sum. Okay, update the maximum sum to the current sum. Whenever current sum is less than 0, make the current sum as equals to 0. Okay, so as you know, from DP point of view, what we do is we get an optimal solution to the smaller problem, and using that optimal solution we give an optimal solution to the larger problem. So basically in this case, where DP is coming into picture is that we are storing our sum in the current sum, and we are using this current sum in the subsequent calculation of other sums. Okay, so let's go through the code. This is the main function. So here I have got a list of positive and the negative integers, and I'm passing it to the function max sum. Okay, and here, so I have initialized current sum is 0, maximum sum is 0. Okay, now I'll traverse through the list. Okay, so for I in range of zeros to length of num, that is the length of the list. Okay, current sum is equals to current sum plus num I, that means 0 plus 2, that comes out to be 2. So current sum right now it is not less than 0. Okay, so what it will do is it will check for this condition. If max sum is less than current sum, which is of course less than the current sum because right now it is 0, so 0 is less than 2, so max sum will be 2. And next it will find the sum of, in the very same way it will traverse through the loop and find the current sum by traversing through each and every element, and it will check if it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, it will assign current sum as 0, or if maximum sum is less than the current sum, then in that case maximum sum will be assigned the current sum, and at last it will return the maximum sum. So here in this case, this is basically where DP comes into picture. Okay, if would it been a recursive solution, then we could have called the max sum subsum for each and every time we wanted to calculate the sum. But here what we are doing is we are calculating this current sum and using this current sum for subsequent calculation of other sum. Okay, so let me just run the code. Okay, so you can see the maximum sum is 45. So how you got 45? So 2 minus 2 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 plus 34 is 45. 45 minus 90 is minus 45. But since the current sum becomes less than 0, then in that case the current sum is equal to 0. Okay, so in that case it will take the value till here, which is 45, and it will give the output as 45, which you can see here. Now The subsequent question can be, what if the list has all the negative numbers? So in that case we have to put a condition over here so as to check whether the elements in the array are negative or not. So that you will see in the subsequent video. Thank you.